In front of me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you can copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on this icon at the top left corner, select Clipboard again, and tap on your text over here. If you want to pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, you can hold it again and this time select delete. To find out more about Clipboard, you can read all of those notes over here. To disable it though, click on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!